gonna do it myself. Oh my god, I just realized I already scrambled. Okay. Oh my god, already done my edges in 30 seconds. $2.26. Oh, yes, a PB. Oh my god. Oh my god. I'm so sorry, guys. I'm so sorry. 2.26. That's my PB by 30 seconds. And I had no pieces solved. How did that happen? Oh my god. Oh my god. Sorry, guys. I just had I'm like crazy. I don't know if I'll be beating that for like 2 or 3 months. Oh my god. I was like, okay. So the solve before this, it was funny. The solve before this, I did a fake solve. I was just testing to see what a fake solve looked like. This one's not fake, obviously. And it was like 1 minute edge memo. And this was not fake. You know what? This was 55-second edge. No, oh, okay, sorry. 30, I meant to say 30 seconds edge memo. And this one was like 26. I just had to review it, and it technically 33, but and then, yeah, 226.19. And then my corners were kind of slow, and that's exactly what happened in my fake solve. This was kind of close to my fake solve. My fake solve was faster because I had my eyes open. I mean, because I was like doing this. You could tell it was fake by how high the blindfold was. It was like this. That's really high. Usually I have it around here. You can't really see. Unless you put it like right here, but then obviously I didn't do that. Oh my god, guys. If I failed, I would have had a temper tantrum. Well, I did either way. 226.19. Scramble will be in the description. You know, and this whole video is shorter than my other videos, even though I'm talking for like an hour after, because the solve was so fast. That was the fastest memo ever. And really fast execution. Like, if you notice me, how fast my fingers were counting, like I was counting really fast. Except there was one point where I double checked something in my execution. So I shouldn't have done that. Could have been like sub 220, but who cares? That 252 was my record, 226. The 252 was such a lucky scramble. This would have been an X cross. This would have been an X cross on the green side if I was doing normal Friedrich. So, no pieces were solved. Oh my god. Oh my god. I'm talking, like, half of this video is just me talking. I don't. Ugh. Thank you if you've been watching this whole thing. It's not that hard to watch because it was kind of short of a solve, and the talking goes by fast because it's fun. I'm probably not going to post any other blind solve videos anymore because I'm not going to be beating this for a really long time, so you won't see many blind solve videos for very long, unless they're like 4x4 blind, 5x5 blind, multi-blind. Bye-bye. Keep looking at this, but it's here.